Hello YouTube. So I know this is another video with another Apple. So what happened is I have been trying to edit all my videos on the iPhone and also on the Surface Pro laptop, and I just realized, because I was meeting one of my other buddies and I saw him using Final Cut Pro. I've used it in the past, but I haven't had a MacBook in a long time, and I just realized that it's so seamless and so easy. So I made up my mind and I made a decision that let's just go and buy a MacBook Pro. So this video is about me going to the same Apple store again, and this time picking a MacBook Pro. Now, there's some caveats. I just don't like the design of the new 2021 MacBook Pro. What they've done with the edges, I like the sharp edges of the MacBook Pro, and this one just to me looks like a Lenovo or an HP. So it's just not my type in terms of the design. So what I decided was to go and buy the last 2020, which is still the Apple chip, because the Apple chips are phenomenal, and then just buy the highest spec, so the 16 gigabyte with 1 terabyte of storage. So that is about a $1,899 and about a $1,900 laptop. So I could have actually bought the newest one for about the same price, because I was getting some great deals at Best Buy and stuff, and for about $2,000 you can get the same spec with a newer M1 Pro chip. But then again, as I said, I just can't live with that design, and plus I like the touch bar and the Touch ID. So this video is going to be about me going and buying that MacBook Pro. So stay tuned with me, guys. I'm not gonna upload all the footage like the last time. You've already seen it's the same Apple store, but I'll still upload some videos of my buying experience. And by the way, I'm using my new mic and my new selfie stick, so I hope the quality and the video this time is better. But please comment and share if you feel there has been some sort of an improvement. And I'm gonna take my truck, so I'll just show you some footage of me leaving, and then I'll see you once I reach at the Apple store. So yeah, be with me and we'll see you soon. Alright guys, so I'm now in my truck and I'm trying to go to this Apple store. So it's a 20-25 miles drive, and it's a pretty interesting weather. It's very dark and gloomy, and there's a big overcast. So yeah, I mean, I'm not a big fan of this kind of weather, but I hope it doesn't rain, because that's the last thing I want. So just be with me, and then I'll see you once I hit the Apple store. Alright, so after battling a lot of traffic, I finally reached the Apple store, the same place I was here for my iPhone. So I'm now walking, and my legs are sore because I did a leg workout I think day before, and that was after almost 4 weeks. So I'm glad there is no queue today, as you can see. So I think these are the days. It's a weekday, it's a Tuesday. So I'm very happy to see that there is no queue at all. So I'm now gonna walk in straight into the Apple store and then find one of the guys who can help me with my MacBook. So stay with me, guys, and we'll share the rest of the experience with you. Okay, so the laptop is here, and this is the MacBook Pro, guys. So let me take it out. So all the Apple folks were really nice. I'm struggling to take it out, but yep, that's pretty much what I got. So I got a 13-inch MacBook Pro. I did not get the 14-inch because, as I discussed in the other video, I just didn't like the design on that one. So this is the highest spec, 13.3, 16 gigabyte RAM with a 1 terabyte storage. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty nicely packed and stuff. So I'm gonna do an unboxing video once I take it back to my house. So look forward to that. So I got my Apple gear now and I'm all set, as you can see. So that's the Apple. I'm walking back out and I'll go to my truck now, and I'll hope I hope to see you guys in the next video. Yeah, I'm tired, so I'm not doing very well with the vlogging stuff right now.